beautiful people. I really hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about 10 most favorite eyeshadows I bought in 2019. Since 2019 is going over, so I just wanted to cherish some of the eyeshadows I bought, and I really love them and I really admire them like crazy. If you've seen my eyeshadow collection video, I do have a little number of eyeshadows by now, amongst which this 10 are my ultimate favorite. Like, I really love them. These are the 10 of it. I have kept it aside. I'm gonna show this in a very random order, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna show you here is this from Savannah Colors. Like this, I got it from Calcutta. My brother bought it for me, but I never expected it to be so pigmented and so beautiful shades, like perfect for bridals and all. This has this shimmer, like, but this is so buttery soft, and this is perfect for bridal thing. It has a combination of matte and shimmer and pressed glitters as well. So this is one of my most favorite. I bought it for my brother paid it 450 rupees for this, but then I really love this one. If you're into bridal and all, you can definitely purchase this one. This is so pigmented, so beautifully blends, and price wise, as I've talked about, it's just 450 rupees, and you get almost every shimmer shades required for bridal. Like if you see this light pink color, this golden brown, this molten gold color, this brown shimmer, this very dark brown shimmer, these are like dye for shimmer shades, and also rest are purely matte, which is perfect for bridals and all. I really love this one, so this is also my very favorite of 2019. Second thing I'm gonna show you here would be, of course, this Makeup Revolution Redemption palette. This retails for 1050. It is most of the time in discount, and this has good color combination, but this is just for beginners, like, you know, just for beginners, because all are shimmer shades. Like you have no matte shades in this one, but then these are so pigmented. Let me just show you black. See, these are so pigmented, but these are beginner friendly only. The only beginners can go use this one, because it has no matte shades. You cannot do anything extra with this one. This is also my very favorite. I keep on using this one. Can you see that it's not showing that black, but this is so black and so pigmented. In fact, all of them, if I swatch this blue for you, these are so good. But the only problem with this palette is it does not have matte shades, so this is so beginner friendly. This, once I saw this was 70% off in Myntra, or sometimes I see this redemption palette for buy one get one. There are 6 variants of this redemption palette, so you can check it out that time as well. That time, but then make sure you are availing this during discount. So this is also my favorite multifunction. Now, third thing I'm gonna show you here is this glitter palette. I just admire them so much. I have not used it much, but I've tried to use it, but I'm not, being able to use it in a proper way. But I just need to tell you one thing. Can you see small glitters on it, the stars on it? Okay, the camera is not picking, but it literally has stars on it, some of it. And these glitters are not like regular glitters mixed with Vaseline and all. These are purely glitters. Can you see that? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Because most of the glitter in affordable range, if I talk about, I do have from SFR Color only. This is also from SFR Color. I have one from SFR Color, like this one, I guess, but this is horrible. This is glitters mixed with Vaseline. It looks good in pot, but when you do it in your eyes, it does nothing. Like, it does not even pick up actually. Can you see this one, and can you see this one? It does not pick up only. So this is purely mixed with Vaseline, some glitters, but this one is really pigmented. And the beautiful part of it is it has so much of stars on it, literally small stars on it. I wish camera could pick up that much. These are all stars actually. It does have stars on it. Like, I really love that one. I wish I could show you one star. Can you pick up, baby? Oof, yes. Can you see that star? Oh yes, you can see it. This one, okay? So this is what enticed me about this particular glitter palette. Oof, because glitter palette are very hard to find, and these are not most of them will give you a lot of fallout. This does not. And it does have good color combination. It has bright colors and bridal colors as well. So I really love this glitter palette. This is from SFR Color. I bought it for 250 rupees, no, 250 rupees, I guess. But this is a worth buy. But you just have to make sure that you buy the original one. Like, I got duped in this one. So make sure, like, swatch it and see if they have a tester and all. This had this tester thing, so I tested out. I really loved it, and I bought it, and I'm really enjoying using this one. This is my third favorite thing. Now, fourth one I would like to show you, of course, like, this can be, I can clearly see that this is the most best eyeshadow I have with me right now, because this is from Beauty Glazed, and this is a dupe of Huda Beauty nude palette. So this is how this particular thing looks like, and can I show you the color combination actually. This is perfect, super perfect for, like, you know, everyday wear. This just have warm neutral colors, very good shimmers on it. I don't know what kind of a shimmer they have used in this one. Like, these are not with like regular shimmers. These are pretty beautiful, like so good color combination and all. I really love this one. I mean, this color Blink is so beautiful, you know, so beautiful. Let me just swatch it once for you. Can you see? Oh my goodness, these are like so beautiful. This is my, I can easily say this is my the most favorite eyeshadow palette I have bought. I love this one a lot. This is from I bought it from AliExpress. This retails for $12 to $15. You can check it if you want. This has warm neutral color for everyday use. Like if you're not a big bright makeup person, you can go for this one. This is light neutral colors. I love it. Now the fifth one I'm gonna show you is also my very favorite, but you might not like this one because you can see I have been using this in almost every eye tutorial I do, because this has only bright colors. If this and bright color does not entice you, this is not your thing. But this has to be my second favorite, of course, because can you see the color combination? I mean, like, what just you need? You don't need anything if you have this one. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Can you see the colors? Like this section and this section are all matte. Like right from here, this one, these are all matte and super pigmented matte, and this section are all shimmers. So this is so beautiful for whoever likes bright colors and all. This retails for 1950 rupees. This is available in Hawk Makeup and Nykaa. This is a collaboration with a beauty blogger, Tammy Clark, and I admire her. I follow her a lot, so this was one of the reasons to buy it. But thank God I bought this one. So I'm not looking for any bright color eyeshadow anymore because this suffices every freaking thing. This is my second favorite, of course. And another thing I would like to show you here would be again from Beauty Glazed. This is how this particular shade looks like. This is how this palette looks like. It is so small, travel friendly. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but then this color combination is in none. Like, you know, so beautiful color combination. This gives me so much of like sunset kind of a feeling. You know, whenever I see this, I feel like creating looks. So beautiful this is, like so beautiful. These are like very warm colors, like yeah, very warm colors. Like 1 2 3 4 5 of them are matte and like rest are shimmer. The shimmers are also of very good quality. I've shown you that Beauty Glaze thing, the Blink, like this, it almost has that sort of a texture. It does not feel heavy, blends beautifully, does not have any fallout whatsoever. So this is what I like. Also, this is from Beauty Glaze. This retails again from $5 to $10. You can check with Instagram sellers. Now another thing I'm gonna show you here is multifunctional. If you are looking for something where you want to have blusher, bronzer, highlighter and everything in one, this is the one you need to go for. These three are the matte blushers. These three are blushers, and this 1 2 and 3 are highlighters. Now this you can use according to your skin type. The highlighters you can use according to your skin types, and these three are the blushes. The blushes, of course, you can use according to your skin types, and also you can use them, in fact all of them, for your eye looks and all as well. This is also very goodly pigmented, and these are also not chunky, or these are like very beautiful colors, like very nice, like, you know, highlighters. Actually no chunkiness at all, and this retails for 650 rupees. This is available online. This is from the brand LA Colors, which provides affordable beautiful products. So yeah, this also has to be my favorite, and I keep this handy because this I don't have to carry a highlighter separately, a blush separately. And I talk about the quality. You're not compromising on quality when we talk about LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. Not all of them, but this one definitely needs to be in your collection. Now another favorite I would like to show you here is this Nika K birthday cake thing. So it has six of it, I guess, but I have, oh, I amongst all, I just love this one. I love a little of this Under the Sea and Mocha palette, or Mocha as well, but from them this is my favorite. I reach out to this one a lot because it has such a vibrant colors, and this is so freaking beautifully pigmented. Like, let me show you one shimmer as well. Like, you know, this is hard to get this sort of a pigmentation. Like, camera does not do that much of justice, and I can't move around, I guess, but you gotta believe me, I have a detailed review of this one as well. This retails for 500 rupees in Hawk Makeup and Nykaa. You can definitely check for discount, but this also has to be my favorite eyeshadow palette, whom I reach out the most. Now, second last thing I would like to show you, will be shocked to hear the price and the product you get about this one. This is from the brand Hilary Rhoda. This is a local brand. But then if I talk about the packaging, it's not so flimsy like that Blue Heaven and all. And this retail for only, I got this for only 150 rupees. In the box it is written 179 rupees, but then I got it for 150 rupees from my local cosmetic store. Now here it has this warm colors. Can you see a mix of a matte and a shimmer colors? Like, when we talk about low brands, I mean, no, I shouldn't call it low brand, affordable brands, like when they say matte, they are matte, but they do have some sheens on it, so you cannot just call it matte. Like we talk, you know, if you understand what I'm trying to say, they are actually not matte. But when we talk about this kind of thing, these are purely matte. This pink, this white, this maroon, and this brown are pure matte, and rest are shimmers. So you just cannot get this sort of a thing in low price. And secondly, in 150 rupees you just not get the color for your eyes, you also get a mirror which is of a very decent quality, and you also get a blush, a highlighter, and a compact. Now what, tell me what you want more. You just cannot expect anything more. It will be a pop to actually expect anything more in just 150 rupees. And the quality is not like, oof, no, not at all. It is also a good, I would not say that good pigmentation, so beautiful, so blendable and all, but yes, if you're a beginner, you should definitely give your hands on this one. If you do not want to buy contour separately, highlighter separately, a compact separately, or eye shadow separately, oof, what are you waiting for? These are for your eyes. This can be used for your contour. Like, this is this brown, actually you're not being able to see as well. This is this much of, like, when I, if it is light, is there, it becomes very light, but it is little brown, which you can use for your contour and all. And rest you can use for your eyes. This pink you can use for a blush, but why would I use that for a blush? Because I already have a blush in it. But this is very blindly pigmented, so much pigmented, you have to be very subtle. And it has this highlighter here, and it has this compact thing here. I don't know why, what is happening, the camera is not picking up only. Anyways, so it does have this mirror, the eyeshadows, compact, blush, everything. If you have this one, you just need to carry a foundation or a BB cream and eyebrow product, and just this one in your vanity, and you're just done. So this has to be another favorite of mine, which I'm using this on a regular basis. This retails for only 150 rupees. Like, you know, you just should rush to your local cosmetic store for this one. Okay, now last of my favorite would be, again, this is not for people who does not like heavy makeup, like dark makeup, but I have this from Makeup Revolution. This is Color Chaos. It has beautiful neon colors, like not just bright, but then it has beautiful neon shades. Let me just show you that quickly. I have used this in several of my videos. It has this decent quality mirror here, and also it has this neon shades, like neon pink. These are all neon shades. These are all matte, and most of them are shimmers. So this is also, if you are beginning to do like eye makeup and all, you should get your hands on this one. This retails for 1150 rupees. Other than this shade, rest of all of them are pretty pigmented. This is like so good, so good, so good. This is also my favorite. I reach out to this and the Tammy Clark eyeshadow palette more frequently, because this has just the colors I want. to be in an eyeshadow palette. So that's all I have with me. So yeah, I'll just show you 10 of them very quickly if you're interested to see. This video became a little long, I'm sorry about that. First, definitely I've shown you this Savannah Colors, perfect for bright and all, good pigmentation. Second is this from SFR Color, good glitters, none it does not have any fallout, anything whatsoever. Third would be this Makeup Revolution Redemption palette, but this just as shimmers, these are only beginner friendly. Fourth, this is Color Cures from Makeup Revolution. Fifth would be this Hilary Rhoda all-in-one palette. Fifth would be the birthday cake from Nika K. Another would be from LA Colors blush and highlight cheek palette, which this blush can be used for your eyes as well. My favorite is this Beauty Glaze Satin palette. This I have 4 of it, Satin, Neptune and all. I just have Satin. I really love this one. All-time favorite would be this Tammy Clark multiple bright colors, and this is my most favorite. I just love this one. So these are my top favorite eyeshadows I have with me right now. If you have not seen my eyeshadow collection video, I would request you to see that as well, so you can understand I do have good collection. I do have a little bit of collection of eyeshadows with me, so you can check this one. And these are my favorite 10 eyeshadows. So thank you very much for stopping by. If you want to know anything more, if you want to purchase and you want to swatch and all, just let me know in the comment or just text me in any social media. If you follow me, I'll definitely text you back. Thank you very much for stopping by. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.